Okay, YouTubers, this is Saul Castaneda again with my brother Miguel here at Green Wheels Automotive. On a nice, beautiful, wintry day here in Chicago, working on our good friend Team's 05 little CJ here. As you can see, it's got a nice little lift. We're doing. He has a problem with his propeller shaft for the 4x4 and his drive shaft with his U-joints falling apart. We're gonna go ahead and take care of that and go ahead and do the interior doors too, because his locks seem to be sticking up. So just keep an eye on it and check it out on the DIY. See you soon. A couple of little love taps. Good. Nice and flat. So yeah, so what they can't do, what I couldn't do, I couldn't tell them I have a 05 Jeep and send me the U-joints because it's an aftermarket shaft and they have a different style U-joint in there, and I couldn't find it. So I had to send the shaft out, which has now delayed me about a week, and they had to make me some. And they're supposed to be coming in at any moment now for me to install. It's been kind of a pain in the ass. So a lot of people, the customers, a little upset because they believe this is a simple. It is a simple job, but when you do aftermarket stuff, you change stuff, and this is where we're at. We're out here just scrambling around trying to get parts, or trying to cross-reference a number that's on there that's existing to something that's available for us to buy without having to buy a whole shaft. So that's where we're at right now with this particular Jeep. Luckily, I was able to find this guy from the local parts store. So. There we are. I'm gonna shave off a little bit on the inside of the yoke. So I'm gonna remove this guy right here, like so. I'm gonna shave down the inside right here and right here on the edges, just so we can get the cap to fit in there, and then it'll snug it in. It should be just fine, because the original ones, or the ones that they use on the aftermarket shaft, were a little smaller, and there are two different sizes, one for the top here and one for the yoke side. There's two different sizes, and no one can match those for us. So we're gonna go ahead and do a little bit of work ourselves. Hopefully it'll work out.
Little difference on this,
Yeah, it's whatever, it's just a very little thing.
The length is not even a difference, but the sails are two different sizes.
the little corners of the yoke because the new U-joints are just a slight bigger. Since we can't find an offset U-joint here in the city, we're going to go ahead and just shave this down a little bit. There isn't much that has to go down. Just get them in there and fit in there right. So let's get that done. Oh, I just took them off. Or did I? What's going on, buddy?
Schedule me.
Okay.
What's a good day next week?
Tuesday.
Tuesday?
Yeah.
After the snow and after everybody's car breaks down?
Absolutely.
Do you want to listen to this thing just before you get it?
Yeah.
I was going to come by earlier,